Keto Homestead with Jess. Today I figured I'd give you a garden tour. We haven't done a garden tour in a while. We've got the mammoth sunflowers. They went crazy. They're doing good though. They haven't flowered up yet, but they're growing. Here's Barrett showing you the mammoth sunflowers. Like I said earlier, if you were on my live, our zucchini and squash have just went crazy. That is a massive squash. I know. Alright, I thought those were big squash until I seen this one. Wait until you guys get a look at this one. That is insane. Oh, that's not even the big one. There we go. Holy moly. I guess we'll be having more squash soup. Let's go down and check the zucchini.
You get a picture of those two big melons.
Oh, I will.
Oh my goodness, dude.
I know.
Really?
Yep, I'm ready. My Lanta. Look at them zucchinis. We'll have enough zucchini bread, that's for sure. Alright, let's find these Gerardelle squash. The other day I found them. Oh, here it is. Oh my goodness. Look at that one. What's Barrett got? Another zucchini. Ugh. And the weeds have finally taken over again.
Oh my goodness.
Green beans are ready to be picked. I know it's hard to see, but they are loaded. Barrett's still pulling more zucchini out. I don't. So here's, oh, my shadow's in the way. There's a zucchini he just pulled. Let's see what else we can find. Here are some onions. Pretty good size.
I can still grow a little bit more.
We got some hot peppers coming on. They're not ready yet, but we got some hot peppers coming on. Here are my Brussels sprouts. They're trying to ball up. My okra, it's went crazy. I need to get that harvested. We've got loofah over there, finally going up the trellis. Here is the huge cabbage I was telling you about earlier today in the live. Insane.
This blueberry tomato.
And then Barrett wants me to show you his blueberry tomatoes. This is our first year growing them. They're starting to get color, but they're still really hard. They're not ready to harvest yet, but they're doing pretty good. All right, down this patch is all my Romas, all my sauce tomatoes and stuff. So my Romas, my San Marzettis, and what else do I got in there? The Amish paste. So that's what all these tomatoes are. This is the left side of the garden, and these are all my big slicer tomatoes. I've got the Aunt Ruby's green tomato in here. I've got Cherokee purple. I don't know, I've got all kinds of stuff in here. Here we have the cucumber vine going up this panel. So we're going to get busy. We're going to start harvesting, and then I'll bring you back once we're done harvesting and let you see what all we pulled from the garden. Pretty good sized cucumbers there. Alright, we finished the harvest. We're back up at the house. So we got zucchini, cucumbers, a couple tomatoes, yellow squash, green beans, and then I have some okra in this basket and a bunch of mixed herbs, mostly basil, stevia, toothache herb, and then down here we went ahead and harvested an onion and patty pan squash. Alright, I want to thank you so much for following me in the garden tour, and until next time, stay happy, healthy, and safe. Bye!